Okay, in this video we learn how to get a spice code for this circle, that is NAND. So this is our NAND circle which we have drawn, okay, by taking the components. Okay, for this we will see how to generate the spice code. So go to File, Generate Spice File. Okay, so this is how you will get. So see here, this all are command. File name where it is stored.sh, software, voltage and current source, automatic this is generated. So we gave DC supply, so VDD, the road numbers which are correctly 1 to 0, and this is here DC, how much you get 1.2 volts. Since NAND we gave two inputs, clock 1, clock 2. So V clock 1, V clock 2 connected between 4 and 0. These are also DC 0. We are giving pulse. Pulse. This initial value amplitude is 0 up to 1.2 volts. This is the delay 10 nanoseconds. This is the rise time, fall time. Okay, 0.1 nano, 0.1 nano. This is the pulse width of the pulse 10 nanoseconds, total time period is 21. Same similarly V2. Then these are the transistors. Okay, but is the two PMOS and two NMOS. So these two are PMOS, these two NMOS. These are the node numbers to which they are connected. Okay, 1, 2, 2, 3. This is first drain, then gate, then source and bulb. Drain, gate, source and bulb. This is the order. So MP, NP, and in this MN, NO. This is the width of the transistor. This is the length of the transistor. Okay. So this is how it is defined for transistors. And these are the pulses. This is the model file of NMOS transistor. Okay, dot model file. These are the parameters of the transistor. Similarly, this is for PMOS. This is the model file. Okay, so now we are doing the transient analysis. So dot trans 0.1 nanoseconds to 250 nanoseconds. It is repeat. Okay, dot trans. Then plot. Plot is we will get the output. To plot V4 and V2 and V3 inputs and outputs. Okay, so these are the node numbers 4, 2, 3, and these are the voltages. Okay, and then dot optional and dot end. Okay, so this is the spice code for NAND. Okay, use spice to meters. Yes, spice. Okay, so this is a file. Go to file. Just say create file. So automatically it is creating. Okay, if we want to get the Verilog also file, make Verilog. Okay, so same thing. This is the Verilog code. Verilog how to write. So see syntax module NAND space clock inputs out. These two are inputs, outputs, declaration for to PMOS to NMOS, and always this is the format. Okay, so this is how to get the codes of the circuit in DSC2. Okay, thank you. Please like, do, share and subscribe to my channel.